I'm going back to Minnesota, where sadness makes sense, by Danez Smith. Oh, California, don't you know the sun is only a god if you learn to starve for her? I'm over the ocean. I stood at its lip, dressed in down, praying for snow. I know I'm strange. Too much light makes me nervous, at least in this land where the trees always bear green. I know something that doesn't die can't be beautiful. Have you ever stood on a frozen lake, California? The sun above you, the snow and stalled sea, a field of mirror all demanding to be the sun. Everything around you is light, and it's gorgeous. And if you stay too long, it will kill you. It's so sad, you know? You're the only warm thing for miles, the only thing that can't shine.